besties. So I don't know if you can remember or if you can relate to this. When I was very little, like still in primary school, and they tell us to go and make all back or shuku and base or patewo, that hairstyle that all your hair like this will just come like this. You get. And my mom would just take me to all these our street hairdressers, all those salon there. And when they want to make this hair, they will just carry your head like this and shook it in between their lap. Hey, like I just feel like dying then, because that place will be stinking. I don't know how those women, and they are married with children, I don't know how their husbands usually, I don't understand, because it stinks. And when you are trying to struggle for breath, they'll just knock you or slap you, stay one place and all that. They don't even know that is that bad odor coming out from their intimate area that is making the child feel uncomfortable. I don't know if you can relate to this. I experienced that for years. Like I was traumatized. Like until I started cutting my hair when I was in secondary school. So it was something else. Honestly, we women need to do better when it comes to taking care of our intimate area, taking care of our body. It is very, very important. It makes you feel good and confident. And actually, if you're married, it makes your husband feel comfortable with your body. Don't come and start, bringing out like your body will start bringing out bad smell. So today's video, I'm going to be talking about how to take care of your intimate area, how to smell fresh in your intimate area and keep that place clean. Okay, so keep watching. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Wina. Thank you so much for joining us. Please, if you are not yet subscribed, hit on that red subscribe button, turn on the bell notification icon beside the subscribe button, so that when I put up an interesting and informative video like this, you would not miss out. And also make sure to like this video, drop a comment and share it with your friends. Okay, so let's begin. Feminine hygiene tip number 1. If you are feeling itchy as a woman, you're feeling itchy, you have this heavy whitish discharge, you have this foul smell that smells like rotten fish coming out from your intimate area, my sister, don't go and buy boric acid. What did they call it? Boric pills. Don't do self-medication. I will advise you, don't do that. Make sure to go to a laboratory first, a medical laboratory. Go and get yourself tested so that you will know the kind of infection you have, so you can treat it. And it is always important that when you start noticing all these things, the earlier the better for you. Go and get yourself tested and start treatment immediately, because infection that has stayed in your body for a very long time can actually result to something else. It could cause infertility, and we don't want that. You don't want that as a woman. Because of infection and carelessness or ignorance, you become you start looking for children tomorrow. It's not our portion, in Jesus' name. But please, if you're experiencing any of that, go get yourself tested in a laboratory. Highest you will spend is 6,000 naira for tests, depending on where you are. Okay, I know when I treated myself a few months back, now my test was 5,000 naira. Do you get? So you just get yourself tested and then go to the doctor and get prescription for drugs that you should use. Don't want to start buying boric acid, buy this concussion for infection. Don't do that, please. I'm begging you. So get yourself tested and treat any infection. If you're experiencing itchiness, fishy smell, or sick whitish discharge, or you're having rashes around your intimate area, go and get yourself tested and treated. Okay. So number 2, in order for you to smell fresh down there after you treat your infection, another thing you need to do is to take care of your body. Take care of that part. Anything that is going to that area should be pampered. Do you get? So the second way you can keep yourself fresh down there is either by trimming the pubic hair there, or by shaving or waxing. Whatever thing you do that is suitable and fine with your body and your skin around that area, do it. Like me, I just trim with scissors. I trim the hair there very low and just use shaving stick to shave the sides. Okay, those sides. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying. So that's what I do. So if you are okay with trimming, that's perfect. If you're okay with shaving, that's perfect. If you're okay with waxing, that's perfect. But just make sure that the hair there is not enough for somebody to come and start using it to do kiko or pop off. They will use to, like, somebody can even braid it. No, to me that's dirtiness. Make sure to trim that hair low so that breeze go enter. It will be fresh air will enter there. Because hair, when you have too much hair there, germs and bacteria can breathe there, and later you will start complaining of infection or reoccurring infection. So make sure to always trim, shave or wax, whichever one is perfect for you. Make sure to do it, okay? So number 3, me personally, after trimming my pubic hair around there, sometimes I notice I usually have, some kind of bumps or something. So what I usually do is that I apply Tidy tube cream. I don't have mine here with me at the moment, but I'm going to put a picture of what it looks like. I apply that Tidy tube cream for 3 days straight. Whenever I take my bath, I dry that part and apply the cream, and that helps the place to stay smooth, no bumps, no rash. Okay, so you can also do the same if you actually use shaving stick or you trim it low and you usually experience bumps. Just make sure to get this Tidy tube cream. It helps. It is very effective, not just for shaving or rashes. It works for eczema, any skin infection. I'm not telling you to go and be using it as face cream for pimples though. No, just for certain skin conditions like eczema, rashes and all of that. Okay. Number 4, I need to put a disclaimer on this particular part. I am not an ambassador. I wasn't paid to promote this particular product. I am not even an agent. I'm not registered in the company, but I just got the product, and I would say I love it, and I can recommend it to any lady, anytime, any day. And that is the Oriflame Feminine Intimate Cleansing Cream. This is used to wash your vagina area, your intimate area. And after I treated my infection, I've been using this, and trust me when I tell you that it is amazing. I love this. Like, I wasn't really a fan. I just feel Oriflame was kind of overhyped. Just my opinion, no. That was how I was feeling. Not until I just decided, okay, let me just get this from one of my auntie, and I got this, and trust me, I really love it. I would buy it again and again and again, and I would recommend it to any lady. So use this to wash your intimate area. It's going to help keep that place fresh. Trust me on that. It will help keep that place fresh. So use it to wash I usually used to wash the front and the back. Please, when you are using this, don't want to start using your finger to and take it and dip it inside inside your vagina. You don't need the vagina cleanses itself. You don't need all of that. Just wash the surface of your vagina and all that. Don't enter inside. Don't choke any finger inside. Don't put water inside. Nothing. Just leave it like that. Okay. So that is what you should I recommend you use, or you use only water. Okay. Before I use only water, and stop using soap. Instead of soap, buy this. I got this for around, let me just call it 6,005 as at 4 or 5 months back. So, and you can see I'm still using it. It is very economical, very, very economical. So you can get this. I use it to wash my my vulva part and my butt area as well. So it keeps that place fresh for me. Okay, so you can get this as well and try it out. Okay. So number 5, after bathing or washing your intimate area, please make sure to dry. I prefer using a paper towel. This is the one I use. This 7 stars. I use this 7 stars. That's the toilet paper I use, because it is very thick. So I use it to clean, dry parts my vagina and my intimate area dry, and also my butt area. I clean it. I make sure it is very dry. Emphasis on dry before wearing my panties. Okay, so don't allow that place to be wet. Some of you, when you just jump out of the bathroom with everywhere wet, you just wear panties. This is wrong, because germs and bacteria breed in moist environment. So if your vagina area is moist and wet, germs and bacteria will breed there, and that can cause infection. Okay, so you can get paper towel or use a clean towel to dry your vagina or your intimate area. And if you're using a towel, like a cloth towel, please make sure to wash it at least every 2 days. Okay, make sure don't use any dirty towel around your intimate area. Okay. Number 6, if you want to keep your intimate area smelling fresh all day, make sure to bathe twice a day, in the morning and at night. Make sure to bathe twice a day. And another thing I used to do is, you see that my butt area, that line that divides our butts into 2, we have 2 butts. I don't even know how to put it. Well, you should not mind me. Sure, you understand what I'm saying? That line that we used to open when we want to use the toilet and all that. That part, when you are bathing, use a soft sponge or towel. Put your feminine wash there, and make sure you wash that in between that line. Wash it very, very well, because that place too, has the tendency to smell bad. So make sure to wash it properly with your feminine wash, or you use soap, a mild soap, to you apply it in that soft sponge or that towel, and make sure you wash that part properly, so that see, what we want to do is to smell fresh, so we don't want that part smelling bad. So you also wash that part very well, and then you wash your intimate area with your feminine wash as well. Okay, so this number 7, some people are guilty of this. You go out, you are going out in public, or you want to go out, you don't take toilet paper with you, you just go out, and when you want to urinate, you just go and urinate and wear your panties straight up. That's bad. If you're going out, you get, and you can buy this 150, you roll some good amount, put inside your bag and take it along with you. When you go out, you urinate, you use your toilet paper to clean your vagina area so that it will be dry, and then you wear your panties and still stay fresh. Or you buy this Paloma paper towel, this paper tissue, you can buy this. I got this for 120 naira. You can buy the whole pack. Okay, have this in your bag, it will help you when you use the toilet. When you go to urinate, you can use this to clean. It's always good to clean up after urinating as a lady. Always do that. When you go and urinate, you take your paper towel and clean your vagina area for it to be dry. Okay, and for it not to have a bad smell. Do you get? So always clean up after you urinate. Okay. Number 8, never wear wet panties. Like, if you know you have only 2 pants, some of you that don't even wear pants, okay, your one is good, but you that you wear pants, make sure you don't wear wet pants. Go and buy enough pants. Get at least 10 pants, so that when you wash it, you allow it to dry before you wear it again. Because if you're doing wash and wear pants, then you should be in this category of always wearing wet pants. So whenever you wash your panties, put it out under the sun for you to dry. Because of how evil the days are, especially in this part of the world, Nigeria, where there are a lot of things that are happening, some of us don't like to spray the panties or undies outside. So if you're putting your panties inside, the air cannot kill the germs. So what you do is that you see that part that is in your intimate area, you iron it. You use your hot iron to iron it. That will help kill the germs and bacteria, and then you wear it. Okay, don't wear wet panties, because like I said, germs and bacteria breathe on a wet and moist environment. So if your panties is wet or moist and you put it on, germs and bacteria will breathe in your intimate area, and that could cause rashes, before you know itchiness, before you know infection. So don't wear wet or moist panties. Make sure your panties are sun dry, or you use your pressing iron to iron it to make sure that it is hot, that area is hot. Okay, the last but not the least, cut down on sugary foods, on soda drinks. Cut down on all those things. It is not good for our health. I'm not saying you should not take them at all, but reduce your intake of them. Reduce how you take it often. Okay, and make sure you start taking more of cranberry juice. This is my I don't joke with cranberry juice. Like, I always have this. I always drink this like almost every day. I just pour some into the cup and drink it. We have the unsweetened cranberry, and we have the sweetened. So, and there are different brands. There's Ocean Spray. This is the Stoots. Is it Stoot or Stutz? Cranberry. Cranberry is very healthy. It helps women. It helps take care of your intimate area. It is rich in vitamin C. It's amazing. It doesn't really have a very sweet and sugary taste. It actually has this sour taste. It slaps. When you're licking agbalumo that is not sweet, so don't be slapping you up and down. And also make sure to always take pineapples, apples, grapes, fruit parfait, Greek yogurt, oats, nuts. Take a lot of those things. They are healthy and good for us as women. Okay, so make sure to take all of this to help take care of our intimate area. Take a lot of water, cranberry juice, vegetables and fruits. Okay, that will help take care of that part of our body. All right, instead of taking all of this what's it called, this and junk foods and soda drinks and all of that. Okay, So guys, I hope you find these tips very helpful, and I hope you practice them, you put them into practice. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, drop a comment, share it with your friends, and most importantly, don't forget to hit on that red subscribe button and turn on the bell notification beside it, so that when I post another video, you'll be the first person to get notified. Okay, so till I come your way next time, have a wonderful life. Bye.